To change the order of panels in the quick setting panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, since by default the panel setting is set to separate and quick settings panel is set on the right side. So to access the quick setting panel, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap pencil icon or edit icon at the top right. Now you can drag and drop the desired panel to change its order. To get easier access to your favorite panel, you can place them on the top. Tap done button to save the change. As you can see, the panels in the quick setting panel is now displayed as your order. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.